Rahim. My name is Azmat Ali Khan. I am studying BBA Part 1 2K20 batch from Sindh University campus, Loughman. My roll number is 18. This presentation for online examination of the first semester. It will be conducted by Madam Hinna Shah. Ma'am Hinna Shah is a teacher of our subject is Pakistan study. I am taking 4 topics. First one is the ideology of Pakistan. Second, Muslim advent. And the third, the challenges of Pakistan foreign policies. And the last is social structure. So I am define everything in the form of slides and presentation without wasting of time. Let's start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is my topics: ideology of Pakistan, Muslim advent, social structure, and challenges Pakistan foreign policies. Ideology of Pakistan. What is ideology? A science of ideas, study of origin, evolution of nature of ideas. An ideology form of social and political elements is the original one. It is a system of ideas that expire both of planes, world and change it. Ideology of Pakistan based on two-nation theory, which upholds that Hindu or Muslims are two separate and the distinct and the different nations having their own natural civilization, creation, regions, a way of life. Muslims cannot merge with another nations because their philosophy of life is based upon the principles of Islam. Introduction: the 57 nations state of United Nations of Pakistan emerged as a sovereign states of August 14, 1947. Ideology of Pakistan based on Islam and two-nation theory. What is an ideology in French word? A French word, a philosophical used in the word ideology is a French evolutions. An ideology of set in the aim of ideas and direction one's goals, acceptations and actions. They are termed ideology means science of ideas. Next. What is an ideology? Subject to homophonious science of ideas and set of the purpose about human nature and society and the interpretations of the past, explanations of the present and visions of the future, and not a consist but dynamic homophonious to Pakistan and Israel. Importance of ideology is the works on the MPIN and the evolutions and the killing force provide a line of actions that prerequisitely established a new social system. Basis of ideology of Pakistan: surveillance belong to Allah and Islam state government by teaching the Quran and the Sunnah, the two seven distinct regions, political, economical, culture and social identical of Muslims. Next. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah for ideology says that Pakistan was created the day of the first Indian nations entered in the field of Islam. From the above statement is clearly the ideology of Pakistan is a Islamic one. Next. Nation and nationalism. Nations is a common culture, language, history, civilization, religions, heroes and royalty, etc. Two-nation theory is the concept of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. There is a two-nation theory of British India, Muslims and non-Muslims. Muslims of India had two own culture, civilization, more and moments, and contrary to that of the other non-Muslim India. Hindu and Islam's ideology different, religions different, social different, economical difference, administration different, statistical confident different, except point of view readings Muslims different. Two-nation theory was based on the struggle for creation of Pakistan, which held the Hindu and Muslims are two separate nations. They split a living together for in countries could not forget that individually culture and civilization, Al-Biruni recorded. His idea is 1001 AD in the famous book Kitabul Hind, as a Hindu society mentioned, particularly character over the countries, the two social and Hinduism, Muslims like two dreams, streams have a something touch but never emerge, each following the separate course. Al-Biruni Kitabul Hind is wrote in conclusion, the fundamental concept of ideology of Pakistan is that separate nations has their own culture, literature, religion and way of life. They cannot be emerged in any other nation. They could be able to develop their culture and the religion, tradition and the Islamic state, and they could be able to create a true Islamic society for themselves. Muslim Advent. The last prophet of Islam, Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, completely changed the intellectual outlook of the Arab within a span of 23 years, transferred then the Arabians of fact Arabia into the civilized and region nations of the expansive, and Islam was not stopped. Muslim state. The Prophet was of Islam, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, completely changed intellectual outlook Arabian within a 23 years transfer and Babylonians and the influence Arab into the civilized and religious nations. During a life was also after a death of Muslim took the message Islam took every corner of the world, and within a few years Muslims because the upper power of air. That is relations between Arabia and subcontinent dates back to ancient time. After long before the advent of the Islam in Arabia, Arabs used to visit to coast of subcontinent. After the Arab trends, because Muslims they brought Islam South Asia, the number of local Indians living in coastline areas embraced Islam. During the region of the Great Umayyad Caliphate, Walid bin Abdul Malik Hijaz bin Yusuf was appointed a government of East province. At the time, Raja there is a Bahrain in the rule Sindh. However, the majority of the peoples living in the region and the Sudan are Buddhism. There are trade numbers of these demonstrate inhumanity. They cannot allow and the trade, ride horse and the war of Trabzon and the choose Sindhi and protect by Dehar were active in the coastline areas where they go, they change, the polluted and the ship passed by Dubai. During the times of Muslims trade living a cyclone dead and the rule of the cyclone sent there is the windows of the offense Becca Baghdad the made generally by sea and king of cyclone is so sent many beautiful parents in Walid and Hajjaj. As a right at slaves caravan pass and the seaport of Dubai, Sindh private located it look the woman and the child. When the knew it's this local child, Hajjaj and demanded the return of Muslims activities and the looked trans. In 712 AD, Hajjaj sent the 16th select Syria and Iraq soldiers and came crop and equal strength and beginning to turn 3,000 camels in Sindh under the command of the nephew and son of La Nibam Abuddin Muhammad bin Qasim is a young boy just 17 years. He also a managing or a capital was operated by 5,000, not 1,000 by 100 men could throw larger stones and a great distance on the way of governor Makran was provided. The addition force joined in also in the good number of the jet and maids and suffering the handle native rulers joined the Arab force. Muhammad bin Qasim first Khilafate he is turned over to Nehru near modern Hyderabad where is easily our helmeted inhabitation. Dahar decides the opposite of Arab royal after a fierce struggle. Dahar is overpowered and killed. Royal fall into the hand of Muslims. The Arab force is occupied Row and the proceeds upward Multan alone away of Saka, Ohos, fortress institutions of the Bank of Ravi was also occupied. The Muslims conquest of the Sindh in both pieces and completely properly to the region law order of was restored. The sea is of spread in Sindh who were the protect Rajadar were crashed. As a result in this sea trained Fleshwas the port of Dahar because the way of busy purposes commissionally in central. Number of marks and margins was concentrated in important towns in short period of Sindh because the center of Islam learning. Center of Islam learning is also called as Sindh. The number of regions, scholars, writers, poets and emerge in the sphere knowledge. Muslims learn India, science, literature, modernity, astronomy and mathematically Sanskrit books and versions of subject were translated into the Arab. During the legends, Harun bin Rashid, the number of Hindu scholars were very inundated in Baghdad. The established of Muslim rule also passed away. A future propagation of the Islam is a Sindh and the disjoining region. Challenges of Pakistan foreign policies. Every nation adopt attitude and the made of the actions toward other states with the astute and the political and the circuitous and the interest. What is foreign policies and the government strategy to deal with the other nation? Foreign policy established and developed relatives and the other countries in order to protect the national interest by taking approximately steps to international level. Introduction. No country in the world live isolation, hence interdependence. World foreign policy hold and the significant place of country without foreign policies like a ship without rudder with drift aimlessly in the water. Pakistan stood on the hard line where world supply line pass. Pakistan member OIC and non-NATO alliance. Again the tourism. Pakistan world 42 largest GDP and the 25 largest purchasing power of the world. To understand the country foreign policies, we need to start with the Christianly forms of the beginning. Challenges of Pakistan foreign policy. As every country is world facing a problem or a challenges to form of the foreign policy to formula policy. Pakistan facing such challenges that is a low. Co-educating Pakistan support idea in living together with the peace of Pakistan civilization, good relations and China with the dislike by the Afghanistan and USA did not like to see Pakistan developing country. They are tired of the tourism activities in Pakistan, so China didn't create a good relations with Pakistan. The biggest challenges of Pakistan is the do coexisting and the country while other countries like India and America. Relations with India from the independence of the country of 1947 to till now, the relation between the India and Pakistan going toward hostility. Relations between the wildly due to normally and the fact and the development had and bad relations, and then the mainly due to the division of subcontinents, that why the peaceful of the coexist and the destiny. Both countries are having atomic power, and India influencing power towards unlimited and limited nation. USA also supported do as confident Kashmir between the two countries, creating a bad effect in the relations between them. India also a case a distributed broker attached in with the Pakistan that issued in fact relations between the country of the bad state. The Kashmir issue is the main of the common problem that face nowadays, the Kashmir problems between the two countries, India and the Pakistan. Next, policy with Iran. Iran the enjoining friendly relations between either than both countries in the higher nationally development in the world, as the same religions Muslims countries protect each other and the different purpose both of helping each other and the demonic political and the well finance supported to each other. At the beginning, Iran helped Pakistan different situations, even as Pak-Indo war provide and any disturbed the challenges among the project as the work of the help in the Iran-Pakistan means to gas pipeline of the Pakistan, both having a good relations and neighborhood country have a more towards a betterment. Trade between Iran and Pakistan is mainly good and help other different problems. Pakistan nuclear programs become a nuclear country is 1998 after a lot difficulty because they campaign USA with against the country and the making of weapons, marks and distributions. As a beginning, USA against Pakistan being an Islamic state, so there's a number of problems faced in Pakistan. There is no someone report of the US intelligence official, all the requiring and the quotation of Pakistan supply nuclear technology to North Korea. Social structure defined as a underlying pattern of the social relationship. Relationship along individually are patterned. Status, role, performance, and the social interacting explain social structure. A social class is a homogeneous same group of peoples in a society. Freedom, combined basis of education and occupation, income, place of residency. All the world of state and all the men of women, purely players, they have the execute and they internals, and the one man in his time player and many parts. Status defined as a position that a person occupy within a social structure, individually interprets status, usually behavior orderly and predictably ways. Status may be assigned or earned, individually occupy and the status and the once and well throughout their life course a status set and all the status that and the individually occupied and partner particular time. The type of status and ascribable status is ascribable state of birth in general and the age of the both ascribed, so are the principal princess, lower class, higher class, achievement status earned choosing because people had a degree of control and choose occupation at the same state in the society, lower class, higher class, and the master state effect and influentially most other aspect of the person life. International relationship of the social studies. Social statistics you can see in next. Role different is a culturally defined right and the obligations and attached to social status. Basically, the exceptions behavior attached to a status. Role set all of the role and the attached in the sign status. As you see, the status and structures get a complex and as a person can have a more role stat and the sets that are associated with many status of their status set. Right and obligations, their role of the one status are matched with the rule of the other status. Through right and obligate, right inform the person behave that can be accepted from another person. Obligate to inform individually of the behavior other accept from them. Which means a role of other and role of right obligation. Role of the one status match with the role of other status. Role performance occur when you role input into the action through a social interacting. Social interacting in the process two or more person influencing each other behave. Means gather to and talk with each other with behavior characteristic. According to the usually open status and analogous to part of play and role of the split, in turn the social interacting representing the way of actor repose the cues and give by other actor. Stage of analogies, parts, cues and the roles, souls, society interacting, role of performance, actual performance. In the table draw analogy between the enhanced behavior of stage and real social behavior. In your own words, describe a parallel between the sociological concept, the right of the stage in terms of to left, state and social life. Questions and consider how to principle interacting. Mention the video relative to how Goldfein discussed society interacting and role performance and what is important of the principles of interacting. Role complete and role state. Role completing occur when the role performance in one state creation role performance in other status. Role strength occur when a role and a single state and single person state and the inconstituted. Zambando experiment. From doing searching box and the text, the experiments was designed to absorb the behavior of the people without record the crime and the violency and the mock person. Zambando was maniaized and repeatedly with status were adopted and rule fulfilled by library college of students randomly assigned to play a personally and a god. Type of society. Society composed of peoples living within different rhythm, brothers sharing commands and culture. How a society solve a problem substantially, infusionally, culture and the social structure. Social structure. Society become more complex as a means for solving a substance problems improving. Major type of societies are hitting and the gathering, horticulturally and the postally, agriculturally and the industrially and the post-densely.